Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the day 4 of calligraphy. So, today we will be continuing with the group 1 letters, lowercase letters, and today we will be learning T, F, and Q. So, the first one is T. Start it from this line with a thick line, come down and go up with a thin curve and make a line like this. Start it from here, down, curve. Like this, curve and a line. So repeat this on 6 lines. Next one is F. So in F, start it from the second box with a thin curve, go up, take a turn with a thick curve, come down on the third box and again go up with a thin curve and a small curve. So F takes 3 boxes. So again start from this box, middle box, go up with a thin curve, come down with a thick curve and again go up with a thin curve. So same repeat F on 6 lines. So the last letter for today is Q. So for Q you have to make a oval stroke as we learnt before. So make a oval stroke like this with a thin and thick curve and again go down with a thick line and make a small thin curve. So start from middle of this box, take a thin curve, then a thick curve, go up with a thin curve, come down with a thick line, go up with a small curve, thin curve. So even this you have to repeat it on 6 lines. I'll be sending you a snapshot of this or do the work as shown in the snapshot, and this was all for your day 4. Keep practicing. Thank you.